This device is made of 304 stainless steel, which is medical grade standard, durable and easy to clean. It complies with laboratory and cleaning workshop usage environment, where cleanliness and safety are paramount. The device can connect its sensing door, which is specially designed for laboratory and cleaning workshop environments. You don't need to touch any switch to open the door. Just place your hands inside the device and it will automatically open the door after 6 seconds of disinfection. The device uses a high-pressure electromagnetic pump to produce a surging atomization power and abundant spray. You can achieve full disinfection and sterilization effect without rubbing your hands. The device also has a newly upgraded 4th gear output, which allows you to adjust the spray volume freely according to your needs and habits. You can choose between spray, shrink, and stop modes to reduce waste and save energy. The device is applicable to various venues, such as hospitals, banks, schools, food and pharmaceutical factories, high-precision workshops, catering kitchens, and more. Wherever you need a reliable and efficient hand sterilizer, this device is your best choice. Order now and get a special discount on this product. Don't miss this opportunity to improve your health and hygiene with the stainless steel intelligent induction spray hand sterilizer.